Things to keep in mind while having contractions. Here's a checklist of things to do as you prepare to finally meet your little one. Number 1, stay calm and do not hold your breath when you experience contractions. Rather, keep practicing deep breathing. Number 2, keep changing your positions. From walking to sitting on birthing ball or bouncing on birthing ball, being on all fours, however you are comfortable. Number 3, keep sipping water and avoid eating anything greasy, heavy and spicy. Number 4, time your contractions and inform your doctor when needed. It can be a slow, gradual process for some with irregular and then frequent contractions. Let your doctor know. Number 5, know what is water break and look out for the signs of water break. Call your doctor in case water breaks. Number 6, you may take a warm shower or a bath to relax yourself. Number 7, you may ask your partner to rub your back or use a warm heating pad and not hot. And lastly, call your doctor or hospital if you notice any of these signs given in the caption below. Take care.